Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, I have a cookbook review. I know this is not an app review or anything, but this is Snoop Dogg's recipe book, From Crook to Cook, Platinum Recipes from the Boss Dog's Kitchen. So I just had to do a review on this, kind of show you guys around this book. This is actually a gift from my buddy. He got me a pretty cool sweater, which I'll show on the screen now. So I decided to get him something pretty cool in return. So this is what I decided to get him. Now, if you do want to pick this up, it is sold out on Amazon right now. However, I went to my local bookstore. They told me they just got it off the truck, put it on hold for me. And when I was checking out, cashiers kind of came over and were talking about it, saying it's awesome. So definitely a good buy. So now to kind of go through some of it, just show you a little bit. You guys can kind of see there's a lot of pictures and a lot of colors throughout. Like he's got some munchies here, good candy, chocolate cheesecake, all types of different things, s'mores. Of course, some pictures of Snoop himself. There's no way that he actually, that these were actually his recipes. There's some good fried chicken recipes. They actually look pretty good. Billionaire's bacon, that looks pretty good. I'm just kind of showing you guys some of the recipes that are in it. And it actually, at the beginning here, shows what's in his pantry and his fridge. Not very much. Some instant macaroni. But right here you got Martha Stewart. So I bet some of these recipes are actually Martha Stewart's. But he does have, let me find it here. So these are actually broken up into different sections. Now the other two videos that I saw on YouTube going over this book didn't have much showing you, everything that's in it. So I wanted to show you guys that. Let me find this. All right, so this is probably the only recipe that he actually wrote himself. Gin and juice, literally gin, juice, take some gin, take some juice, mix it up, that's it. That's gotta be the only one that he actually wrote because that's not helpful at all. And I guess that's a picture of it. But this is a real one here with milliliters and, actually teaches you how to do it. I thought that was pretty funny. But let me find the brownies here. I know they're in here. Of course, they've got the butter mizilk pound cake. That's pretty funny. Now here are the brownies. If you read right here, if I really want to take it up a notch, I might even add a dash of my secret ingredient. A sprinkle of Snoop's herbs and spices really gives those things a kick. They'll come out of the oven smelling real aromatic, and a couple bites will leave you feeling like you're on cloud nine. Go get baked. So you guys can see he definitely wrote a little bit of this book, like all of these little, paragraphs before each recipe he wrote. You can definitely tell that it was written by him, and those brownies actually don't look bad. And if you want to add some herbs and spices, go for it. These ribs look really good. Just a lot of different things in here, and honestly, everything, like a lot of the stuff in here looks good. And I'm a pretty picky person, but look at that fried chicken, looks really good. So I don't want to show you every recipe in here. I don't want to get sued or anything, but go check out this book. It's really good. It's only like, what, 25 bucks, so definitely a steal. Hardback, really good quality book. Looking for some cool recipes with a little pizzazz with Snoop, go check it out. I'll link the one on Amazon down below, but you might have to go to your local bookstore right now because it is sold out pretty much everywhere. This is probably the last video on this channel for this year, simply because I'm giving this to my buddy tomorrow. So when you're watching this, I'll probably be out for New Year's. And I know no one will probably watch this video right away, but hopefully you guys discover this video and discover this cookbook, and hope you guys have an awesome 2019. See you guys in the next one. Peace.